Alright, entonces, language explorers. Vamos a mirar, vamos a ver daily routine. Yeah, rutina diaria. Rutina diaria, rutina, yeah. So what we do every day. Cosas haciendo cada día. So alarm. Let's try and get a picture of alarm. Oh, perfect. Alarm, very good. Muy bien. La alarma sueña para despertarse. So the alarm goes off. Despertarse, to wake up. Or levantarse, to get up. So we could say tomar, bañar, or bañarse, or tener una bañar, or duchar, tener una ducha. Have a shower, to take a shower. Tomar. And tener, to have. Very good. Tener and tomar. So to take a bath, to have a bath. Tener un baño. To tomar un baño. Muy bien. O bath. Wash, lavar, lavarse. So to put on makeup. So para maquillar or maquillare. So put on, poner, maquillare. To shave. Afeitare. To shave. To shave. And lavarse el pelo. Lavarse or tu pelo. Wash. Lavar, wash. Lavar, wash. Pelo, hair. Pelo. So, to dry your hair, secarse el pelo. To dry. Sacarse tu pelo. Sacar, seco. Secar, to dry. And to iron your shirt. Let's try and get a picture of iron. Okay, now let's try steam maybe. No, okay. But we say planchar una camiseta. Planchar, to iron una guayabera. Planchar anything. Pantalones. Calcetines. Camisetas. Y más. Planchar. Or planchar. There we are. But planchar, yeah. Very good. To iron. Planchar. To iron a shirt. And to get dressed. Vestirse. To get dressed. Muy bien. To brush your teeth. Cepillarse tu diente. Brush your teeth. Let's try and get a picture. Yeah, toothbrush. Very good. Yeah. Let's have it. Let's put it there. Very good. To wash your face. So lavar tu cara. Lavarse la cara. Lavarse tu cara. Wash your face. Lavarse. Lavar. Your face. Cara. Face. Cara. To brush your hair. So cepillarse el pelo. Brush your hair. Perfect. Brush. Or in this case it's a comb. Comb your hair. Comb. Oh no, comb. Wow, okay, right. Yeah, comb your hair. And hacer la cama. Hacer la cama, to make the bed. Make it clean. Ready. Hacer la cama. Muy bien. And desayunar, to have. Or tener desayuno. Or To eat breakfast, desayunar. To have breakfast, tomar. Or tener desayuno. Tener desayuno. To eat breakfast, desayunar. Desayunar. To eat breakfast. To do homework, hacer la tarea. Tarea, homework. Tarea. 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 Muy bien. Hacer la taira. Taira. Homework. And salir la casa. To leave. Salir. ¿Dónde es la salida? Salir. Leave the house. Casa. So salir la casa. Ir a trabajar. Or trabajado. Trabajar. Ir a trabajar. To go to work. Trabajar. To work. And go to school. Ir a la escuela. Go to school. Go to work. Go to school. Yes. And catch the train. So you could say tomar el tren. To catch the train. Or catch the bus. Tomar el autobus. Tomar el bus or autobus. And a bus, autobus, very good. Oh, and to drive, conducir. To drive the car. Drive to work, conducir al trabajar. Conducir a la escuela. And to arrive late, to llegar tarde. Arrive, llegar tarde. Llegar tarde. Perfecto. Llegar tarde. Llegar tarde. Muy bien. Entonces, el último. To empezar. To start work. Empezar. Trabajo. Z. P-E-Z. Empezar. El trabajo. Empezar. Trabajo. Very good. Very good. Yeah. So alarm goes off. To wake up. To get up. To take a shower. To have a shower. To take a bath. To have a bath. To put on makeup. To shave. To wash your hair. To dry your hair. To iron a shirt. Iron. To get dressed. To brush your teeth. To wash your face. Cara. Wash. Limpiar. To brush your hair. Brush your hair. Very good. And hacer la cama. Make the bed. Muy bien. To have. Tener desayuno. Or eat breakfast. Desayunar. To do. Hacer la tarea. Or the housework. Or the homework and housework. Well, in that case then it would be tareas del hogar. Or casas. Cosas. Trabajo de la casa. Cosas sobre la casa. Salir, the house. Salir la casa, leave the house. Ir a trabajar, go to work. Ir a la escuela, go to school. Go to, ir. Go to school. Ir al escuela. And catch the train. Tomar el tren. To catch the bus. Tomar el autobus. To drive. Conducir. Or manejar, but conducir. Arrive late. Tarde. Llegar tarde. and empezar trabajo, start work. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, tú puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram. Entonces puedes encontrarme en Udemy con más clases para ti en inglés. Qué guay, Language Explorers. Vamos a continuar a explorar.